LSE was a dream institute for me since I completed my high school. So I just want to study here. The first thing that intrigued me for this course and for the LSE was Grantham Research Institute. The research related to climate and environment is very thorough, and the course which I like the most is the environmental development and economics course. It's the optional one which I choose. It's GY 473, and it's about the society and how global like South global economies are doing to fight with the climate change and the environment. I'm a little bit excited for the next term. So it has many interesting courses like climate change and science, and the economic appraisal and valuation course. So it's about cost benefit analysis, how I'm going to analyze policies, whether it's going to the results what I want or the government want. When I came here, I don't know how should I like draft my CV or prepare my CV and cover letter. I just went to LSE Careers, and they have many seminars, and they have like workshops also. You can just go. They put a lot of efforts what you are doing and how you are doing. So I'm living in LSE residentials, and they are very concerned about your mental health and well-being also in LSE here, like in the campus also. And the best part I like about the LSE is there is very less barriers between faculty and the student. You can talk with the faculty, and also you have academic mentors also, to whom you can ask for help if you are struggling with something. It's wonderful here. Like LSE pushes you to do something. They have many things. LSE is all worth it.